Hi guys, I'm Eshad from Untitled Mobiles. We are at the Lenovo K6 Power launch and I have the phone with me in my hand. This is a budget smartphone which is a compact budget smartphone that goes up directly against the Redmi 3S Prime. The Lenovo K6 Power has been packed with a ton of features. Let's take a look at what we think about this device. On the front you have this nice big 5-inch Full HD display which is an IPS LCD panel. One thing that you need to notice is that it comes with a SIM slot which accepts two SIM cards and which is also a hybrid SIM slot. The phone comes with a Snapdragon 430 processor with 3 GB of RAM and it has an internal storage of 32 GB which can be expanded up to 128 GB for your usage. One of the main USP of the phone is the fact that it has a 4000 mAh battery. Now this battery can be used to reverse charge other phones or other devices using this micro USB port as well. On the or besides the port you can see that you have the 3.5mm jack as well. The display looks good on first impression, which is what we came to expect from it anyway. One of the interesting things to note is the fact that Lenovo has used a near stock version of Android and it calls itself Pure UI. Now this Pure UI feels snappy at first and there's absolutely no problem thanks to the Snapdragon 430 processor. We'll confirm that it's running Android Marshmallow for you. So yes, it's definitely running Android Marshmallow. There are a ton of UI additions that Lenovo has made. One of the interesting things that we like and which is stored away in the features section of the phone is the fact that it comes with a dual app profile. Now this dual app profile, what it allows you to do is it lets you run two apps at the same time. Say for example you want to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same phone, you can do that as well. On this of course there is no WhatsApp, but you can see that there are two Google Play stores, which means that you can use two different Gmail IDs to connect to two different Play stores, which is great as well. On the back you get this nice large 13 megapixel shooter which is an IMX258 sensor and has an aperture of f/2.0 which should give you a decent amount of depth, and underneath that you have the fingerprint scanner. Right below you have two sets of speakers and these are dual stereo speakers which support for Dolby Atmos on the speakers itself. It can go as loud as 82 dB, which is really loud, at least from what we know of the phone. Let's get back to this and I'll show you the camera app for the very first time on this phone. The camera, now you can see that this is in the selfie mode and it has an 8 megapixel camera which can shoot selfie shots as well. The front camera is a 13 megapixel shooter and it takes a decent amount of details. Here we're lacking focus. Let me take one more shot for you. Okay. Now I'll jump into the image and you see that there are a decent amount of details. But we'll definitely double check and confirm if this is great compared to the other smartphones in the same price range. There are a ton of modes that you get with this. One of them is the Pro mode. The Pro mode allows you for control, manual controls over stuff like ISO and white balance, which is really great. We will definitely talk in detail about the camera when we get the review unit of the phone. For now, the phone is priced at 9,999, which is 1,000 rupees more than the Redmi 3S Prime. Now, the fact that it is 1,000 rupees more means that it might be slightly more expensive for people who want to buy a budget smartphone. But one thing you need to note is that the Lenovo comes with a ton of features which might interest you. It's going on sale on December 6th on Flipkart at 12 PM in the afternoon. So keep your trigger fingers ready, and this is the phone that you might want to buy. Until then, we will definitely get you a review before that if possible. Until then, keep watching 91 Mobiles for more information about the Lenovo K6 Power. This is Eshad signing off. Do like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video. Thank you so much.